Can a vacuum this tiny really tackle your car's mess without breaking a sweat? Hey guys, this is Alex from SmartPro-Pulse. Today we're diving into the Fanttik Slim V8 Apex car vacuum, the ultra-portable powerhouse that's blowing up for quick cleanups. Stick around as we unbox it, test its suction, and see if it's the must-have gadget for your dashboard. And before starting the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and unboxings. Let's kick things off with the unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find the Fanttik Slim V8 Apex car vacuum itself, a universal Type-C charging cable, and a whopping 10 practical accessories to make cleaning a breeze. There's the crevice nozzle and flexible hose for those sneaky, hard-to-reach corners, a push-in brush to tackle stubborn dust, a multi-surface brush and pet brush perfect for grabbing pet hair off seats and floors, plus blowing, inflating, and pumping attachments for even more versatility. Everything comes neatly packed with a compact storage bag for easy toss-in-your-trunk organization. Right away, it feels premium. No flimsy parts here, just thoughtful design that screams portability. Design and build quality. This thing is a featherweight champ at just 1.1 pounds, about the weight of a standard bottle of water, making it effortless to wield one-handed while navigating tight car spaces. The cordless body is sleek and matte finished in a modern black, with an ergonomic grip that fits like a glove. It's super compact, measuring around 10 inches long, so it slips right into your glove compartment or door pocket without a fuss. The attached storage bag keeps all accessories tidy and ready to go, turning this into a true on-the-go essential. Note that it's built for detail work, not whole-room vacuums. Think car interiors, office desks, or keyboard crumbs. So don't expect it to replace your full-size upright. Features and performance. The Fanttik Slim V8 Apex is a 4-in-1 multifunctional mini vacuum that vacuums, blows, inflates, and pumps, covering everything from sucking up sand to inflating a deflated tire in a pinch. At its heart is an 80,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor unleashing a massive 19,000 pascals of suction power. That's equivalent to 45 air watts. Strong enough to devour stubborn debris like dirt, crumbs, and even pet hair without mercy. It offers two modes: Eco mode for lighter jobs, giving you up to 40 minutes of runtime, and Max mode for heavy-duty blasts that last 13 minutes. Switching between them is a simple button press, and the LED lights on the nozzle help spotlight those dark crevices under seats. Charging is a dream with universal Type-C compatibility. Plug it into your car's port, a computer, or any 15-watt or higher charger, and it's fully juiced in just 2.5 hours. No proprietary cables to hunt down. Emptying is hassle-free too. One touch pops the lid open, dumping debris straight into the trash without dirtying your hands, thanks to the secure ring latch that prevents accidental spills. And for air quality, the built-in high-efficiency particulate air filter traps 95.99% of fine dust and particles, keeping your vacuum and your car cleaner longer. Battery life and usability. With its lightweight cordless setup, this vacuum shines in real-world chaos. I took it for a spin in a sand-dusted SUV, and the Max mode inhaled gravel like it was nothing, while Eco mode handled daily crumbs all day without flinching. The accessories swap on and off seamlessly, and the blow function cleared vents in seconds. It's not for massive spills, but for spot cleaning your ride or workspace, it's unbeatable. Conclusion. The Fanttik Slim V8 Apex car vacuum is a game-changer for anyone tired of bulky cleaners. It's powerful, versatile, and ridiculously portable for under $100. Whether you're a busy parent, pet owner, or road warrior, this little beast keeps details spotless without the hassle. If you're battling car clutter, grab one now. It's selling like hotcakes on Amazon. So, this is it for the credit video. If you like this review, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want more unboxing and gadget breakdowns, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay tuned. This is Alex from SmartPro-Pulse. See you in the next video. Until then, peace out.